Hello guys, my name is Manuel Butchway and I'm taking you through the technical role of a system analyst. We know that system analysts are very crucial in ensuring the information systems are being developed and implemented to meet the needs of the organization and its users. We know that system analysts are responsible for gathering and analyzing user requirements, designing and developing system solutions, and ensuring that systems are properly implemented and tested. Looking at system analysts, we should know that how do they work. So system analysts work closely with other members of the development team, looking at the programmers, the database administrators, web analysts, and project managers to ensure that whichever project the company or the group is embarking on is completed on time and within the budget and the set requirements. Now, the technical roles of the system analyst are not limited to one, gathering and analyzing user requirements. We say this by saying that system analysts will work closely with the users to understand their needs and know their requirements for the new or modified information system. They would use a variety of techniques to gather the requirements such as questionnaires, interviews, surveys, and observation. Secondly, we are saying that their role involves designing and developing system solutions. Now, once these requirements have been gathered and analyzed through the questionnaires, the observations, the surveys, now the system analysts will design and develop the system solutions based on a variety of tools and techniques to develop the system, such as computer-aided software, that is software engineering, that is CSE, tools and programming like Python, Java, C++, SQL. Also looking at implementing and testing system solutions. Now, looking at system analysts, they work with the programmers and other members of the team, as we discussed earlier, and their job is to ensure that the systems are properly installed and configured that are meeting the requirements of the users at the end of the day without having any hiccups. Also looking at document systems and requirements. Now, system analysts will have to document each and every step so that they can be easily understood and maintained throughout the process of implementing changes in the information systems. They will use a variety of documentation tools like writing manuals, technical manuals, flowcharts, case diagrams, sequence diagrams. We're also looking at providing training and support to users. Now, system analysts will provide training and support to users so that they can effectively use new or the modified information systems without any frustration. They develop the training materials and conduct training sessions, and as well as providing support for the users when needed. System analysts must have a strong understanding of the information technology as well as the business processes organization in which they are working for. They must be able to have effective communication with the users and other members of the development team, like we said, the programmers, the web designers, the web analysts, and so forth. Now, in addition to the technical skills or the technical roles of a system analyst must also have strong analytical and problem-solving skills. This is very necessary. As an analyst, you have to look at information systems, look at certain situations, and be able to pinpoint whatever their needs are while listening to the users, as well as making sure that whatever requirements that are needed are met and configured to avoid frustration. They must be able to identify and resolve problems within the system requirements and solutions, and must be able to work independently as part of a team. I think these are more of the technical roles of a system analyst, and as they stay within the groups and understand how systems are being processed and being done, they'll be able to meet the requirements, gather the information, as well as meeting the user's requirements at the end of the day within the same time frame or the set time frame and within the budget in which it's been allocated for. Thank you guys.